But
I made it.
this is one
Just
video I
arrived at
am
Psycho
making,
Support
and
India.
now
And look what I got. My speaker badge. I'm super excited to connect with the Psycho community.
so that bike he reached at Sukon venue. So my motive is just to show you he finally reached here. He was actually traveling since 2 months. One video 2 months back, and then a couple of videos. Yep.
Hello everyone, I am Avatar of Manu and welcome you all at Sitecore SupCon India. Handing over to Manu for presenting virtual author session.
Virtual, AI is doing my work.
Transformation of business content authoring with agentic AI. Psycho's virtual content author.
That's my topic. I have given most of the tasks to him so that he can do my work. That's what AI is going to do, right? AI is going to do our work, is going to help us. So if I'm presenting something for AI, so let AI do my work here as well. So that it proves AI is doing my work. It's not hypothesis, no illusion, it's live. We are doing it here. Again, I am Manu. I have multiple skills I could as AWS, working as an architect, 15 years of experience. I'm a couple of older Cyber guys who have 13 years experience, lives in Delhi. I mean, you can check my email ID, right? ECE. All the older people will know your BTech branch and then your name and then your year of pass out. It's still the same email ID I'm using. So pardon me for that. I am professional, but this is my older days. So agenda is here basically. We can see audience who are the actual audience of Psycho, and then challenges, agentic studio, and then virtual author, prompt engineering, skill data entry, demo and QA. I think I will skip. So let's see who are the actual audience of Psycho. So most of the people here in the SupCon, I think 80% belongs to the development. Very small audience belongs to marketing and business. So if you see here, the actual Psycho audience is 40% is going to be content author, 25% is marketers. I'm not going to talk about these people. My focus is on 65% because developers are building a platform which is going to be used by authors and marketers. So the challenge is where these guys are facing, and that's where we have opportunity to give them much more than what they want. That's why we have an AI. So now we are pretty clear that it's not developers who are going to use Psycho much, it's authors and marketers who are mostly using even more than that. Because I have a couple of clients I have worked for enterprise clients, and they have huge authoring team, like 30, 40 people in authoring team, 20, 30 people in marketing and the branding, and then translation team, content creation team, lots of numbers, more than 100 numbers. So if you see how much after we building a site core platform, giving to business, then actual thing started. Now business is putting money every day on authoring team or marketing team or branding team, translation, and many more. Campaigning also. So let's talk about challenges.
This AI agent is generating too much content. Reviewing and modifying it all takes forever. How can I optimize this?
So that's a brutal truth actually. You have AI agent, give a prompt, you will get huge content. But you will put more time to optimize it. It's same everywhere. So if you have agent, then definitely you can't go directly and get the benefit. No. Challenges is still there. When you are using ChatGPT, if you see you're getting multiple suggestions, again you're updating it. But it's normal. But in the business case, whatever you're going to put, if you have a medical site, if you have an automobile, your content should belong to a specific audience, a specific tone, and all of them. So let it come. So I mean, your content should be very focused to your business, what you are selling. But yes, AI will. I mean, until you give more context, more and more context, then only AI will learn. But still, if you give a AI ready system, site for AI to authoring team, okay, you have an AI agent, content creator. Yeah, so you have a site for AI, you have lots of agents, content creator, blog generator, researcher, many more. Will they start using it? They'll get confused. Or they might be putting more time and struggling with these agents. These are the challenges they are facing. Like creating content and translating multitasking is not good enough or it's not matching the business. Thank you. Okay. Is it working? Sorry for interruption. So, okay, so, I mean, enjoy this picture. This takes some time. These videos are totally generated from prompt. But yes, I have given a context. I am giving context to my the app which I am using. I am giving context. It's been more than 3 months. So this is a single value. The picture you are seeing is once I clicked in the India's AI session which happened in Delhi. So till then I am re-getting the same avatar, and then that's why I am getting whatever I need. So it took me 3 months. The same thing. Let's apply to the business. If you give a psycho AI, they will take 3 months to make their system more contextual. No, it's not correct. I mean, I'm not sure if authoring team, you are telling authoring team to create the context, and they will take 3-4 months or 5 months. You don't know how much month they will take to give more and more context, because they will get correct content, right? So it's dicey thing. Can you just take the slide?
We have to wait for 2 minutes. Some AI has to be added here.
I wanted to put my AI myself to all the session, but somehow he is not selected. I am selected as an author. No, no.
मनु का नहीं है इसको रोकना कैसे होता है
Yes, is a kind of a life cycle, and that's where if you calculate all the hours, it will come near to this one. And currently people are using it because most of them they are not switched to AI, or they are thinking. So, and we are here to say that okay, you can save this much of amount. Because if you say a client that you can save a millions amount, they'll say okay, show me what do you have, right? So that's all. It's money. Okay, so again, Sitecore has now agentic studio. Thanks to Sitecore team. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So you have a couple of agents showing there, and we have a chat. So just select the agent and you will start you get the agent and do your work, right? And then we have some other options settings. So I'll not put more description here because you all are aware that Sitecore has an agentic studio, and this is how it looks. So go to the page and you can click on agentic studio. Okay. Again, the same thing what agentic studio does. So they have agents which are writing, SEO, review, and then multi-agent orchestration and all. These things are already there, and I think couple of sessions you have already seen how people are using it, and they have given most of the context you already have. Okay. Again, the same thing, because how AI works, it's not simple. Give a prompt or give something or give some details and upload document, you get the things. No. In the AI, you first plan, generate, optimize, review, because review is must, and then publish. So it's a usual life cycle of AI. Go by step. These are the steps you have to follow anyway. There's no other way. You have to follow these steps. Anyway, if you're not planning, then definitely generate content again. You don't know what it will generate. But again, this is a process you are following, right? So there's also improvement in this process as well. I'll show you how. Okay, so now that's where my topic comes, the virtual author.
AI agents are transforming, becoming smarter with skill.dim, evolving to higher capability and intelligence.
So if you have seen if you see this is a small one, right? This is small robot. This is the AI agent which Sitecore has given to us. This is what they given to us, and we have to build this one, the bigger one, more smarter, more knowledgeable, more intelligent. That's why I call this as a virtual author, because this is intelligent but not smarter. It requires some skill. Because I mean, almost all people here are graduates of BTech, but not all BTech students, they are developers. Some are in management, some are in Java development, some are in C#, some are in Sitecore, some are in other CMS as well. They all are not same because they have different skills. So that's where we have to differentiate between companies, because every company has a different skill. If you are working with a medical company, content is there, content is different. Automobile, education, law firm, they have different set of context, different set of content. So you can't sell same thing to everyone right now. So you have to train agents specific to domain so that those companies' business will get maximum from the AI agents. So that's where my virtual author will, I mean, it's not mine, it's everyone's virtual author, because we are all building the same thing. I mean, again, a simple picture, again, it's generated by AI only, you all know. But yes, if you see here, this is the skill. So we are giving these things like prompt and guidelines, governance, all things. Because in the Sitecore backend, you have opportunity to upload document. You can upload governance guidelines, all the things you can set up as I said, Sitecore backend. But yes, even doing all of these things, if you don't have this skill, then again you are struggling. So even if you have a AI, but you are struggling, right? So you have a gun. So you either can save it or either you can kill someone. AI is like the same thing, right? Yesterday I think Rob showed that AI is like a horse. So it's the same thing. Okay, then prompt engineering. So we all know, right? Prompt engineering is what you can give as a prompt you are writing something. So give it again. That's usually happening to me whenever I'm going in webinar. So recently I was conducting a webinar in the Yahoo user group. My internet went down for 10 minutes. It never happened in that day. It happened. But the same thing happening here. Some negativity is there. No, I said just kidding. Okay. So you have seen the Buddha, right? Because engineers like me, they need more patience and more silence and more. So we need Buddha. Okay, so coming back to topic, prompt engineering. So we can't write a simple prompt, right? You all know. Because business is not going to share GPT, okay? So we can create a banner for my this, like, no. They will tell all the things. They have to tell. There's no option. They have to put goals, audience, goal, like generate the content for coffee, which is high point level, and it's from which origin and taste wise and all the things, right? And this coffee should belong to only 20 to 40. So we are giving everything, and language as well. Then only your AI agents will work in better way. Otherwise, you say I need a description or banner for branding a coffee, then you will be struggling more than what you will now. Okay, so who all needs chocolate? I have a chocolate. You raise your hands, I'll give you chocolates. No one needs chocolate. I have a dark chocolate without sugar. Who needs it? See, that's the difference between a good prompt and bad prompt. So you need a chocolate, okay? But that's what you don't need, because if you need something better for you, because you like different chocolates, right? I don't eat chocolate because I have a milk intolerance, but that's fine. That's a different. I mean, it's a simple thing. What is the good prompt and bad prompt? Create an image for my chocolate. Okay, I got chocolate, but yeah, no one needs it. My business belongs to that. Create a premium, high-end product banner for a chocolate brand. Okay. Showcase 80% pure. So we have putting more and more details, giving more and more context. And then we are putting like no sugar, and yeah, you can see. Then we'll put like language as well. I need in English, I don't need in Hindi or Chinese like that. So we can put everything. I mean, we have to give more context. So we have to give a bulky prompt, right? So we can't like one item. So when author team will get your system, you are guiding to Sitecore AI. You give okay. So we have AI agents, use it. Then you have to train them. Okay, you need to know how to write a good prompt. So you need to make them as a prompt engineer. That's the one way. Okay? That's the one way. And then I'll show you. So now you're getting context. Why we need a virtual author? Because to get maximum from same agent, these agents should be trained even more context. So that's where we have an I think skill.md. It's MD's file. That's actually the brain behind intelligence type agents. So you need to give skills. I already told you the skills. Prompt engineering is one skill, but yes, rather than prompt engineering, give a skill at MD. Again, it's not something new. It's a set of instructions only. So it's the same thing, because you know that this skill files, it has instructions, right? We are giving what we need and then description, and then we are giving examples as well, success criteria as well. And in the skill also we can call CPs and all what you can do it, because it's a long prompt kept in a file. So it's readable for technical work or who knows AI or who are the AI developers. But yes, it is going to help in other way to authority who are not that much of expertise, or they are struggling to learn AI or they are not up to the mark. So as a developer, what we are doing? I mean, as a developer, we were getting data sources, templates. Now, on top of that, we have to create skills as well, so that skill will match exactly to your data source, so that they don't need to struggle much, and we will make their life easier as well. Right? So if you see an agent without skill, inconsistent output, we have hallucinations, what he just presented, then no brand awareness, no governance, limited business context, and then with skills like consistent response, brand aligned, governance, compliance, domain expertise. So because if you see we are in the skill, we'll give all the things. We'll give them what is success criteria, what is examples they have to follow. So we'll get more precise output, what exactly we need, or it's clear to what exactly marketing or branding team or skill team needs. So if you see, Sanjay, if you do the chat GPT, you get simple diagram, skill.md, how it is useful. The random output and guided expertise. Again, I already mentioned the same thing, anatomy of the skill. So what the skill has is the purpose, role definition, instruction, constants, buying guidelines, examples, output format. Yep. So if you have a banner, it could be a left-hand title or image or two image or three image or multiple subheadings like that. So output format, governance rules, and success criteria. So with these skills, you are only going to get most of the things from AI. That's where its role as virtual author, they are going to give him skills. Again, it's not that much complex. If you want, you can go to Claude or any AI to just write, I want a skill for this. You automatically get it. You don't need to really learn all the things. But yes, if if you want to learn, definitely you can learn. Because as a developer, when we are going to serve your Psycho AI to some client, at first glance you have to create these skills, which is going to match with their data template, their pages. Because page generation is one thing, but generating according to business is a different thing. I work with a medical client. It has more than 100 components in same page. 100 components in same page. Each component is different. Some is ergonomy, some is branding, some is banners, some is promotions, right? So I can say I can generate a page with AI, but is the business going to use it? No. They want the page which they want, right? It's not something which AI is generating. So if you want to generate a specific page which your business wants, then you have to train your AI agent so that they'll generate exactly what your business needs. Thank you. Again, I'm speaking very fastly, so pardon. I got super excited, right? It's been 5 years I'm struggling to come here. Thanks to high rental team and Psycho team, obviously.
Thanks to Sukha.
Yeah, thanks to Sukha. Thank you. So demo time, it's not going again. There's no Psycho, I'm not launching any portal, okay? It's all a screenshot. It's the same thing. Write a product description, okay? So you got a product description, which you see, it's called for very minimal, like. It is given you make like this much of content, and often it will take 1 day to optimize it, right? So they'll kill more time. So that's where now I have given us a good prompt. Generate a 120 word content for a blood pressure monitor. Tone, professional, and then your health, and then web, medical, health, your language. Now I got a very optimized one, which is near to what I need. Because if I have a component in the page, you know, right? Component comes with a text length restriction, right? It's not like put everything. No. It will make the UI. So what they need, you get the prompt. But yeah, prompt is one level. So if you see in the agentic dashboard, you have a settings. That's where we are putting context, we are putting brands, all the things are doing it. In the same section, you have skills. So either generate a skill, Psycho made it very easy. So generate a skill file, upload it, it's done. It's not like you go to cloud and then skill folder, map it, and you're struggling with the folder itself, because it's not easy to map your skills with your agents. Again, no worries, I'll continue. Okay, so basically, in the demo, I was just putting a skill file, which is showing how. It will give you one very good example. So that's all. Last part of this, but yeah, I let me show you that one. But I think now you are coming. If I want to sell a Psycho system with AI, I can't go bluntly and say, okay, I have a Psycho which has a AI agent, okay, 20 AI agents, and you can build custom agents, okay, integrate MCP servers. Business will. Because you know business people, right? They are not typical. They'll say, okay, ChatGPT is also there. See, we have a GitHub profile, right? Microsoft has an AI, Gen AI, but they have a GitHub profile because business knows GitHub profile is you help me write the code. That's why everyone is paying subscription. That's the difference. I have an AI, but how is going to help business? Because business is interested when you will save their money and it's going to solve their purpose. So that's where I'm more interested because I'm closely working with business and authoring team and marketing team, so I know. So yeah, skills, and then I uploaded a simple skill, latest news aggregator. So I want a news, okay, and I uploaded a file as well. So now if you go to chat box, I think everyone might have seen this. We have a chat option, very easy. Go to chat box and option, select your skill and see server 2. So my skill is there, latest news aggregator. See the magic now. Okay. Generate latest news on Delhi weather. You all know Delhi weather, right? Super. Not today, but yes. See, again I have given a bad prompt. You can say it's a bad prompt, right? It's a bad prompt, but no. Now my skill will do the magic. We generate the content, right? Small content, source, date generated, category, SEO text. Because I have coded my skill, generate the content with a specific length, heading, give me source, give me date, give me category, and give me SEO tags as well. That's all I need, right? I'm getting a page, I need these things. Where is the source? What's category? Where is the SEO tag? It's the most important. See, I'm given a bad prompt, I got a exact what exactly I need. So that's the magic behind utilizing your agent on the higher level, giving them a skill. Again, it's very, very easy thing. People have already explained what is the skill file, what is prompt engineering, but yes, I've given you a live example. Because if you work with the e-commerce client, like you do, right, every day they're creating thousands of pages. You all know, right? So that's where it's going to help. So it helps in multiple ways. Because this small headings are heading, I mean, it's a small example, but now you can directly convert it to your data source. That's what the in goal, right? Your site code works in a data source. And if your output matches with your data source, it's easy. So all things will not have to go learn more, or they have to learn AI and all the things. Yeah, they have to be understood, but yes, as a developer or as an architect, we have to tell our teams, okay, selling site code, okay, good, but let's give these things additional or charge for it, whatever the competition will say. But yes, you have to give these things as well, skills as well, so that they are going to match with their data templates, their business. Okay, it's a one single file I created. The company I work has a 700 components, 700 components. 700 type of data sources. So it's not easy, but yes, once you build a skill file for 700 components, it will be there because it's copy and paste, almost all the things are there, right? But yes, once you give them this one, so even though they are writing a wrong prompt, they will at least get 90% accurate results. And that's just one example, right? We can use skill files because if you see the site code itself, they have content generation, they have a blog creator, right? So what exactly is different? Blog creator has a certain skill. It will give a blog, it will blog format. And content generator can give you a blog or something simple content because it's not kind of restricted or guided. There's a difference between agents as well. Okay. Okay. So I'm not going to show you the skill file because again it's a very lengthy file. So I'm coming to the next one. So the question I asked multiple times: can authors be replaced? The same question everyone is asking: the developer job is going to kill? No, it's not going to vanish, or it's not going to be. They are going to lose the job, right? Because AI don't replace content teams. But content teams that master prompts and skill will replace who don't. So that's the bitter truth. So now you have to work in AI, develop things in AI because you have an AI system, you need to train it. And who is training? Developers or AI experts. So that's where a whole discussion is there, but yes, jobs is still there, but yeah, it has to learn. You have to learn those because we are also learning AI, right? So no option. But yes, this is the truth. And I'm doing a special thanks to Sakshi for motivating, and Praveen and Yogi. So these guys helped me a lot. Otherwise, I was not able to speak. It's not like I like because you need some guidance and all. So special thanks to all of you for helping and other members as well. And again, other responsibility thing. Thank you all. So no Q&A. But then you can ask me questions. Sorry, I missed the slide. I hate the Q&A. But yeah, you can ask the questions.
Well done, Manu.
Thank you, sir.
I have a question for you now.
He hated, but he had.
So actually,
I'm thinking to hide here.
So the question is, as you said, right, we are planning to create a virtual author, right? As you know, the AI is evolving, the skills, etc. Try to humanize the authoring process, or agentize the authoring process. Is still require a fine tuning of skills, right? So, do we expect, let's say, the skills also to be bundled as part of a service package that the implementation team that in future could look up to?
So you got a very good question. So when I was doing all of these things, so the same question really got linked into my mind as well that currently they are giving a prompt, right? So can Cypher give me an option to switch to my prompt as well? See, every day we can't give the same prompt, right? Long prompt. So like previously I told you, if there's an option, or if we can build by ourselves as well. We can store the prompt as a text. So same thing, it's the same thing. I think I'm also learning, but yeah, there's definitely some ways to bundle it so that it will go with the product. And it definitely is needed. That's what I told earlier that if you're giving cycle AI to awareness, give the skills as well. Otherwise, they'll again struggling. I hope this answers your questions.
Yes.
And any more questions? Sorry, I am not giving you chocolates. Thank you, everyone.
No more questions. Thank you, Manu. It was absolutely fantastic.